everyone to take our military session, the end of this program. And now, the procession. May we request the President, Assistant President, Deans, and Administrators from the schools, colleges, and universities to join the procession. And the likewise, we also ask the parents to join the top performers. Please note that the oath-taking ceremonies were held in different regions, and other guest sponsors also attend near their places. Let us now welcome the top notches in the elementary level in regions 3 and 4.
Nasaan na yung
Second
banda?
placer, Karina Abagua Quezon.
Ang galing.
Dapat dapat ganun. Ay, pero sa ano, Karina.
Asa yun?
Kasi mo naman. Ganun. Ay! Ito na maganda.
Nasa unahan nga sila.
Fifth placer, Julie Ann Papa Giancarlo. 17 years
Ay, wow! Alam na kasama? Ito talaga. Dapat nasa tayo, naging tayo.
Yung isa yung second picture.
Oo.
Sixth placer, Roxanne Salabongo.
Hindi mo kami kilala. Kilala ka naman namin.
10th placer, Dulcinea Maripaz Casuga Valenciano, University of the Philippines, Diliman.
Wow.
Ako gusto naman maglakad. Gusto mo
Ako cry mo ah.
bakit siyempre, wala tayo dyan kaya.
And now let us
Tayo ano
get
tayo na ako.
top notches from the secondary group from regions 3 and 4. Third placer, David Manicor Gonzalez, Alawang State University.
Ay, ayun! Akala ko yung naka-violet.
Sabi nga ni Kiyoshi, anong gusto mo? Maging si Roxanne o ay, maging top notcher o maging maganda o hindi, sabi niya dati. Parang gusto niya para daw na araw naman top notcher basta wag lang si Roxanne. Sabi niya.
And likewise,
Tama, tama.
Efraino III, Religio Mary, Alawang State University.
Wow, proud. Nasaan na yung banda? Ano silbi ng band, yung marching band?
Professional
Ano yun
teacher,
sa...
composed of OIC Dr. Bernard Perpus, Dr. Renato T. Peña, member, and Dr. P. M. Matiguez, member. Let's give them a warmest applause.
Ang galing nasa taas sila. Ba't gano'n yung iba hindi?
Behind the board of professional teachers, Attorney Carlos D. Alcalor, Secretary to the Professional Regulatory Board.
Puro babae sa ES, puro lalaki sa FF.
So,
Of the Professional Regulation Commission.
ayun pala yung silbi nila.
Again, can I give them a warmest applause?
Sino pala sila yung sa tao?
Oo nga eh. Pag nga sila, kala ko sunod sila. Minsan nakasabot ba din?
Sino?
And now the parade of colors to be done by Cynthia Beverly Cades of Quezon City.
Pag nag-stop po.
Let us all rise.